This morning is an ordinary phase, so we all just let it go. You say hi and I just say hello. It's a little lonely, but it will be the only thing that isn't perfect. I could say it won't be regrets of 10 million faces.
Hey loves, welcome back to Work at Mama Lifestyle Vlogs. My name is Rima and I'm so happy you are here with me today. I make motivating videos for those who need to stay organized and inspired to live their best lives. So if you need that in your life, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the like button for me. It's free to subscribe, and in return you get notified of all new motivating content posted on my channel. Okay, so here's my list. So I want to clean the kitchen. Everything is dirty. Then here I realized that I might need to write it out a little bit more, so I put countertop, stovetop, sink, and I need to put those drinks away right there. Then I want to steam mop my floor. I need to tidy the laundry room. I want to tidy both bedrooms upstairs, the girls' and the boys' room. I don't know if I'll have time for that. And then I want to fold the small load that's in the laundry basket that's done. And my finger has tie-dye ink on it because my daughter did a tie-dye t-shirt. So that's why my finger is blue. Okay, so I'm gonna set the timer for 1 hour.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 hour.
All right, let's get to it. So if you aren't familiar with what a power hour is, it is when you devote just 1 hour and tackle as much as you can in that hour. It's perfect for when you want to do a quick tidy or aren't that motivated, because after all, it's just 1 hour and it goes fast. So by the end you feel pretty accomplished. I posted this today because on Mother's Day you probably don't want to clean, but still will need to do something by the end of the day. So a power hour gets it done and you can get to go back to relaxing. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mamas out there. I hope today is wonderful for you and that you get to enjoy your day.
I grew up and I'm bitter, 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts.
So for dinner tonight, I found a knockoff recipe for In-N-Out burgers. That is what we had. They were delicious, but so messy to make. You can see here on my stovetop just how dirty it is, and there's even grease on the floor. So I'm gonna spend some extra time here out of my power hour to make sure that I get everything really clean, and then I'm gonna have to steam mop the floors in order to make sure that the floor isn't greasy either.
I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and our worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboys. and up in the clouds. But I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just
For the laundry room, I'm going to quickly do a tidy up. I'm going to vacuum the floor, and then I'm also going to scrub out the sink and wipe the counters because we did do tie-dye projects today and there is dye and bleach everywhere.
nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when you're still out in this night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? Either come close or stay away. Oh, this words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead you astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when you're still out in this night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find find in your love? What can I 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 find in your love?
All right, so you saw that my hour was up. Let's look at the list and see what we got done. I'm out of breath. So the only thing I didn't get to was the second bedroom, and the girls are in there doing something they don't want me to see. Get something for Mother's Day. So we got most of the things on our list, the majority of the stuff. I'm so glad I got that done. The kitchen was horrible. That was like the messiest dinner I have ever made. Those hamburgers, they splattered everywhere. So you saw all the grease and everything that was there. But at least that is all clean now. The kitchen is good for at least the next 10 minutes before they all come in for their snacks and stuff before bed, and it's gonna get messy again anyway, but at least I know it's clean. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you were able to get some motivation and that you try a power hour and write down your list of the little things that you need to get done. Spend only an hour on it, get it done, out of the way, and you will feel so much better. I had very little motivation before this hour started, so I'm so happy that I did this. And tomorrow for Mother's Day, if you just don't, or actually you're gonna see it on Mother's Day, so you probably don't want to spend the whole day cleaning, but you know you can't get away with a whole day of not cleaning. So give yourself just 1 hour, write a short, quick list, get it done, and then go back to relaxing and enjoying your day. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mamas, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!